to my channel. Today we are going to do an experiment. There is a button in this water and we have to get the button without touching the water. Now, first you need to have a candle. Careful. And then you need a glass bottle, an empty one. Oopsies. It's a little bit wet. Mommy, the flames are too big for the widest bottle.
No, you can't just fit that in.
Really? The water is rising up and the flame. Ah! The flame got up.
Yeah.
Look. Huh?
And so the bottle sucks up all the water in the tank.
Wow.
And now that there's no more water around the button, now
I
you
can't get it.
Good
Yay.
job.
What's in it?
And now you can take the buttons out.
Yay. I love this experiment. If you like this channel, subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Bye.